All right, Mr. Burns, we're gonna do a front suspension. Well, actually, we'll do the whole underside inspection. But you already wiggled the wheel, and go ahead, show me what you got. Go ahead. That's really cute. That pitman arm is what rubber? That is Dunsky. Oh, do that again. Go back and forth. We're also loose on this end of the idler arm. I meant idler arm, people. It's getting late in the day for us. All the rubber is cracked on the power steering ram. Oh, the tie rod rubber is trashed. Go ahead and wiggle that, Burnsy. Oh, wow. Do that again.
Which one?
That's not good.
Is the bushing done from that one too?
Where?
This thing?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I already shot that.
Yeah.
But I'm watching the steering arm. Go ahead. It's deflecting. Let me check this side because it's making squishy noises by my head. Keep going. There is end play in all of this. Wow. Wow.
Oh yeah, you can see it now.
The control valve, you do that and it's bubbling. Do it again. Do it again. It was bubbling right here. Oh yeah, you can see it. That's pretty horrendous. Okay, so whoever did that, they don't know what they're doing. Brake line needs to be up because it's seriously hitting the control valve. Wow. They're supposed to be in a clippy somewhere. New style calipers. It says right on the left and left on the right, but the bleeder's up top. So I know this is an aftermarket kit. I'm not going to question it. But it's weird, but it's okay. These ball joints are toast. Toast. Look at that sway bar. End link bushing, toast. Bump stop is toast. Shock rubber is damn near not applicable anymore. Let me try to get the light. There it is. Yep. Ugh. Okay, so there's a lot of stuff that's good and a lot of stuff that's questionable. Motor mount, never been replaced. These are been replaced, but they're dry cracked. We've got an oil, the pan's wet, the filter's wet, the oil pump is wet. The trans is leaking like a sieve. And it's shift selector seal. What do I always say? It's always the shift selector seal. Look at that. Right there. Plain as day.
Yeah.
Okay, so got that. So all suspension needs bushings. Like there's our upper control arm. You can see that rubber's toast. This rubber's starting to crack. Sway bar at the frame, toast. Lovely, lots of stuff. All right. We are leaking at the control valve. The hoses are new, but everything else is no es bueno. Moving forward, actually rearward. Our exhaust looks pretty good. Hey, these are cheap Chinese mufflers. You know why?
Why?
Instead of Fomoco, guess what they say?
Chinese?
Mofoco. I'm not kidding. I'm taking a picture. Anyway, all right. So we're looking good there. And we will now go on to the rear of the car.